Hi everyone, it's Miss Jill. Welcome to story time. Today I want to read you The Little Dump Truck. Everyone loves dump trucks, right? This book is really cool because there's all these different characters of trucks and buses and cars. Which one's your favorite? I like that one too. The Little Dump Truck. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bouncing, bumping, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowly braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big holes being filled. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris, excavator scoops, drops dirt inside of me. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash, on and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee, other truckers pass. Dump truck looks really happy. I'm a little dump truck working hard each day. Back and forth, I love my job, hooray. Here we have some other different trucks. They're all happy, all driving. Have a good day.